Hi everyone! Welcome back! Today I'm sharing some quick and easy tips on how to ripen green tomatoes and keep them fresh for longer. If you've ever picked tomatoes before they're fully ripe, or you're worried about them spoiling, these tips will help. First, the classic method. Wrap each green tomato individually in newspaper and place them in a cool, dark, dry spot, like a drawer, cupboard, or pantry. This helps them ripen evenly while keeping their moisture intact. Another trick is to place your green tomatoes in a paper bag along with a ripe banana or apple. These fruits release ethylene gas, which speeds up the ripening process naturally. If you want to slow things down, keep your green tomatoes in a cardboard box lined with newspaper. Spread them out and check them often. This prevents bruising and extends storage life. For the best flavor, avoid storing tomatoes in the refrigerator unless they are fully ripe and you need them to last a few extra days. Cold temperatures can dull their taste and texture. So, whether you want your tomatoes to ripen quickly or last longer, these simple methods will keep them fresh and flavorful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more kitchen and gardening tips.